Hey, what's going on, my friends? Welcome back to another video. And it's been a while since I did my last install video, but today I have a very special product, this 10-inch radio, and we're going to be installing it on my Wrangler GL. So stay tuned for this video. Don't go anywhere. Let's go. And this is what we are going to be installing today. Don't worry, guys, this look like a lot of stuff and there are a lot of cables and connections to make, but don't worry, I'm going to include in the description below a link to the Stinger original install video, because they did a very nice job like explaining what cables go into what cables and what connections and all of those stuff. So I'm going to include that video. Feature that this radio have, because it have a lot. It doesn't just look good, it have a lot of great feature. Like, for example, my favorite feature, the cameras. You can add up to 5 camera, guys. That's insane, that's crazy. Especially here on Jeep Wranglers that we go off-roading, you can add 1 camera on the front, 1 camera, of course the rear one, that is the original camera. Let me show you. But you can add, like, let's say for example, 1 on this fender and 1 on the other fender. So if you are going to go rock crawling or something, or you have an obstacle, you can see and you don't need an spotter. That's a great feature that I love. But let me show you. Right now I have 2 cameras. That's the real original one, and it's going to show you in 1080p HD. But I have another camera in the front on the grill that I'm going to show you in 1 second. As you can see, it is showing me like down. So for example, if my Jeep is like this, I can still see what's in front of me when I go off-roading. That's a great feature that, trust me, everyone wants. And also I have this, guys. As you can see, have an off-road feature that it basically is going to tell you the elevation if you're in 2-wheel high. Let me show you when you press, wait, I have to turn on the car, the Jeep, so I can show you. Wait. For example, I'm going to, as you can see, for high right there, and then let me switch to for low. As you can see, it tells you everything, the pitch, the roll angle. It is really nice, guys. Of course, this radio is also going to have the basic Android radio and Apple CarPlay, but that's nothing new. That's nothing exciting, because basically all new radios have this option. Bluetooth, of course. And another great thing that I really love about this is the climate control, guys. Just look at this. For example, right now the air conditioning is off, but you can, like, just look, everything is like integrated on the system. And of course you can also do it from here, and just take a look at these things here. And you can also, for example, put this and just watch this. So it is super nice this to have. It shows you the temperature outside. By the way, we're in Florida, so that's our temperature right now. And the other thing that I really like about this is the vehicle information. It's going to basically tell you everything, but right now the Jeep is off. So for example, let me turn it on so I can show you. Just look at this, guys. It is basically going to tell you the angle of the tires. if you are in for low, for high, whatever. Also the off-road, but that's nothing crazy. But what I really like is this. Just look about this, guys. Voltage, oil temperature, oil pressure, transmission temperature, coolant temperature, fuel pressure, intake temperature, and I have no idea what is this, but maybe you guys know. But also I really like about this feature here. Basically, it's going to tell you your PSI, your tire PSI, and if you open, let me see, one door, for example, I'm going to open the passenger door, it's going to show you here that the driver's side door is open. The same thing with the hood, the same thing with the trunk. It is basically going to tell you a lot of details and a lot of things about your Jeep. You have another option if you want to race your Jeep or something, of course, but we already know that Jeeps are super slow, but you have the option at least. Let me show you this. On the performance, you can set a 0 to 60 best time or whatever, but I'm sure you can record it too. But I don't know about that, guys. I just know that I really like this screen. It is awesome. Let me show you where I put my front camera so you can have an idea, but you can add up to 5 different cameras. Okay, right now I'm not sure if I'm going to be adding the camera inside here or here, but basically I have to see where my tires are going, so I have no idea. Just let me know, where do you think I should put this camera? And this is where I put the front facing camera. As you can see, I open a little hole on the grill. You don't have to do it this way. I chose to do it that way because I didn't want to put it like down here. I wanted to be able to see everything in front of the Jeep. But as you can see, you can even tell that there's a camera there. So that's everything, guys. I hope you like this video. Don't forget that I'm going to add a link on the description below so you can check this radio, and if you like it, just get it for you. I highly recommend this radio. It has a lot of great features that I'm sure you guys are going to love. As always, see you on the next one.